is your girl Stacy with another video. If you are a subscriber, thank you. If you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. So today we are going to be doing a partnership video. I am super excited to have partnered with Glamnetic. They are a company that has amazing products, and one of their best products are their magnetic lashes. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit about their magnetic lashes. I'm going to put on some of their magnetic lashes, and then I'm going to share a 15% off discount code with you guys. So if you want to learn more about Glamnetic, stick around for this video. All right, guys, so let me do an unboxing and show you a little bit of things that they sent me. First product they sent me was some nails. They have an awesome selection of press-on nails. They sent this pair in golden hour. So super cute. Love them. They are super cute. I think I actually might put these on today. And then they sent Stardust. Ooh, this is perfect. Like for the new year, new you. Look at that. Stardust. I absolutely love it. And then here's another close-up of golden hour. Very pretty. Kind of like a blushy pink. And then they also sent over some lashes. So I got to select 3 different lashes. I chose the Luxe pair. Let me show you what the Luxe pair looks like. They are so freaking cute. Look at the Luxe pair. Look at those. So full and just like beautiful. Then I chose Lush. So those were Luxe. These are Lush. Look at the Lush. Look at them. Like, just look at the fabric of them. Like, you could tell they're like quality. Really great quality. Realistic. Just amazing. And then the last pair that I selected is Lavish. So the Lavish pair. Let me show you what the Lavish looks like. So the Lavish is just like giving me all things glam. Look at those. So stinking pretty, y'all. So what I really love is that the boxes, you see these boxes, they are magnetic, so they close back like this. You can store your lashes back in this box, so no worry about sticking your lashes somewhere randomly or anything like that. You're able to store your lashes back in this box, keep them protected, and make sure that they're ready for your next wear. Let me just show you how these lashes are. So you see up close, you see the strip, and then you can see the magnets. So let me just take one off for you. You see? So you see, you got the magnets on there, and then when you are done wearing them and want to put them back in the box, you just stick it back there. So what's going to stick these to your lovely lashes is the Glamnetic magnetic eyeliner. So they also sent me the eyeliner as well as some tweezers to get the lashes installed. So let me just look again and see which one I'm feeling like wearing today. I feel like the Lavish is definitely more like going out on a date, you know, kind of sprucing things up. And also the Lush. I am thinking that the Luxe is what I'm going to be wearing. I feel like the Luxe is more like everyday kind of glam. So I'm going to show you the 3 just so you have a good comparison of them. The top one is the Luxe. The middle one is the Lush, and then the bottom one is the Lavish. So this is what they look like. So I'm thinking that I'm going to go with the Luxe. That is going to be what I wear today. And so what I'm going to do is get started. So let's get these lashes on so you guys can see how they look. Step is using the eyeliner. You want to install the eyeliner and you want to give it a few seconds to dry, get it a little tacky, and then you are going to put your lashes on. First things first is just kind of line it up to your eyelash just to see if it's a fit. Okay, so sometimes people that may have smaller eyes, it may be a little longer, so you may need to cut some of the lash off, but mine, it fits perfect, okay? So I'm going to take out my tweezers. Ooh, I like this. Look at this. So not only is it tweezers on this end, but on the other end, it's got a little comb. So this will be perfect for combing out your lashes, you know, making sure they're not tangled and things like that, especially once you install them. So really cool. Okay, so I have put the eyeliner on this eye, and I have put 1 row on, so I'm going to add 1 more layer. And you want to try to get it as close to your natural lash line as possible to prevent it from looking disconnected. Right, let it dry a little bit. And then for me, I like to start mine from the outer part because that's the part that I want to be whimsical. So I'll start attaching mine from the outer part. So I'm going to lay it on the line. You're just laying it on that line of eyeliner. And because it is magnetic, it will just stick to it. And then what you could do is if you feel like it's kind of in your eyes a little bit, you take your little comb and kind of add your eyelashes into it, comb it up a little bit. And you can also use that to kind of press. And there you have it. You got one on. How does it look, guys? Ooh, she's feeling glam. Go to the other one. Like I said, no eyeliner here. You're going to, I like to add a layer of eyeliner, let it dry, and then go back and add another line. So I'm going to do that. Then you are going to install your second set. And a really good way to know which side to put it on is, of course, the inner part of the lash is going to be short, and then the outer part is going to be the longer whimsical side. And like I said, I prefer for the whimsical side to be right at the edge of my eyes. So I will put that on first, that piece on first. Done. She is ready. She has on her lashes and she's feeling fabulous. So guys, absolutely love these. They feel amazing. I feel like I feel glam. I don't see them. That's one of the reasons I do not like wearing lashes. I feel like I can see them, but I do not feel like I see these lashes, which is absolutely amazing and means I will actually wear them. As I said, I am wearing the set Lush, and I'm going to give you my 15% off discount code. If you want to check these lashes out, please go give them a try. I will put my discount code below. It is Everyday Stacy. And if you try them, let me know because I'm so curious to see how you like them. I absolutely love them. They are super comfortable and excited that I had the opportunity to partner with Glamnetic. If you try them, let me know. If you already use them, let me know too, and let me know your thoughts and let me know your favorite pair. Thank you guys for watching, and check out my next video. Stick around, join the family, subscribe so you can check out my next video. All right, guys, bye. Until next time.